Hello friends, how are you? I'm Inamulhaq shah. Today we are going to discuss simple past tense or past indefinite tense. We make this tense by using subject, then second form of the verb and then object. Now look at these two sentences. She left university last year. I gave her a present for her wedding anniversary. So from these two sentences we can say that past indefinite or simple past tense is used to talk about an action completed in past. These sentences shows an action completed in past. And to make a sentence negative, we use did not, then first form of the verb. When we use did, then we use first form of the verb, not the second form of the verb. But one thing must be very kept in your mind, that the sentences, the questions with who do not use did. For example, who discovered America? Who wrote Paradise Lost? When we use word who in the startive sentence, then we do not use did. Secondly, simple past tense is used to talk about past habits. For example, I studied many hours every day. She always carried an umbrella. So these sentences talks about past habits. These sentences shows past habits. Okay? And we can also use simple past tense to talk about something that was true for some time in the past. I will give you some examples. I lived abroad 10 years. He enjoyed being a student. So all these sentences shows that something was true for some time in the past. Okay? So we have discussed three uses of past indefinite tense. First one, we use past indefinite tense to talk about something that completed in the past. We use simple past tense for past habits. We use this tense to talk about something that was true for some time in the past. I hope you got understand. So thank you for watching the video. For more videos and updates, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Goodbye.